say man I go through them. Me even want to talk about that neither. But book life matter. You show me X-Man picture for my friend. What the fuck you do? You know that too.
Together we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of you. What's up, AC gang? Your girl Abbi there, and guys, your girl come back with another prank. I want some dirty one with your cap. So guys, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna do one. I miss my ex prank and boyfriend. I miss my ex prank and boyfriend. So guys, you know, keep outside. I water some things we implant some oranges, so you know. Yes, you know. Also, we had to plant it also. So my best friend, Nasty Krista, sent me a picture of one of my ex them and his wife, right? When she sent me I said, dirty girl, where you send me this? So how could you? So then again, my team bought it. I said, you know, so I want this one prank. I'm gonna use this one prank. I'm gonna say, you know what? This is the right time. I'm gonna do that dirty prank if I'm careful. I have to watch you see if I'm coming now. Come, I already set the prank on my Insta, but I'm still have to watch. Yeah, guys. So spam in the comment section with Team Abbi. I do some dirty boy named Capo. And go subscribe to my channel, Abbi's Madness, and go subscribe to our comedy channel, Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. And also spam in the comment section with Team Abbi. Follow me on Instagram down below, guys. Yeah. Oh, I'm telling you what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do? What I want to try to do? I want to try and act like say me I look on a picture. I'm gonna look on a picture, act like some feel sad and so when him are coming in, I might hide the phone. Cause not eventually when him see me I hide something, I want to take the phone and come look on it. So yeah. So that we're gonna so support the conversation with Team Abbi. So guys, I come after this now because I don't want him pass and see me I talk to myself. Yeah. So stay tuned. What's up, people? For a big man living now, fun and joke aside, look how good girl get fat and stay bad. Talk truth. I not even get fat and stay good, then I get fat and stay bad. No, sir. Go on, go peep, yeah, girl. Go on. Yeah, it's a good girl. Run go and peep now. Can they run a back same way, you know, so.
A few moments later.
No, sir, people, wanna come here, commercial break. Who knows some is a real mad? Watch me. Watch here. Watch it. No, sir. Look at the girl. Watch the girl laugh for herself. Watch here. No, sir. Talk truth, people. Talk truth. One real mad. Watch her. Watch her. Watch her. Watch your stuff, dog. Watch her. Watch her. I'm telling you, look a dirty boy. I come the boy, I must watch your idiot again. No, so I can't even talk to you, please, because that idiot here distract me. Look at this. I'm not gonna lie. Look at my old, my mix up self, but she's pregnant. I myself can't chat to watch your idiot again. I dead with laugh with myself.
The paper tree on it. I mean, shooting in front of the first I go. I'm there.
Nothing, Capo, nothing.
So I shooting in phone come in.
I'm frightened, nothing.
Your friend not shooting in phone now, you do paying phone now.
Nothing. What's that?
What can I shoot my phone?
I'm not doing nothing.
So what you get up for?
I'm coming up on bed with a dirty clothes. But I did sit down all this stuff.
Don't want to finish topic. What am I?
Nothing.
What am I?
Yeah, it's that.
Well, I'm coming to my phone.
Yeah, but you're fighting me. Obviously you're fighting me.
You know for me, I'll come in the house eventually.
Yeah, but you're fighting me. You act like
But why you show the phone?
Nothing.
I'll be missing the phone. I'm not going to do the thing, but I'm looking at my phone now.
Stop it, Capo.
But why you throw the phone? I'm coming.
Can you find me? Obviously, I'm not going to show you.
I'm friendly, my advice. I'm coming and sit up with paper tree. You're
But
fine?
Steve, come off on bed with that.
Oh, the ugly brother. We're going to combination. How him?
Somebody on internet.
Abbi, this look like your ex-boyfriend, you know? I see for this, Abbi. I ex-boyfriend, Abbi. Abbi, ex-boyfriend, you didn't look on?
So when can I be phone for?
Where do you look on him?
I'm not scroll and see him picture.
Why do you do that? But I'm coming and see you look on the person how long. Obviously, I don't think you
The
look on him.
parent will spend 3 seconds in there good.
Oh, yeah. Abbi, why do you look on the ex-boyfriend for? With the girlfriend I'm married, why do you do that? Oh, you miss him?
But then I come here.
Why do you do that? Come in, you look sad. You look like ex-boyfriend. How that look, Abbi? You miss him? Why not talk to me? You get dumb? Why do you look like ex-boyfriend, Abbi? In a wedding thing, your girlfriend get married. Why not answer me?
Alright, I miss him, so what? At least he have the balls to ask somebody. And maybe she accept him because he's nice and so.
You miss him?
Me I look at her and say, I could have me.
So they look like ex-boyfriend?
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, wedding, whatever.
Nothing wrong with that.
Married.
Nothing wrong with
And
that.
I look at you.
Oh,
He's sick, you know? You have a whole life. Wait, how long you in a person that's after?
so what?
What keep on looking at the people? And then you know, like you no girl like you know, like you want ball because of the picture. You still know about him?
Because I say I should have me and not she. Because I miss him.
What the fuck?
And she all pregnant too.
What the fuck you mean by shy you and not she? What that mean?
Because she accept him so
What that mean?
obviously him changed now.
You want
Obviously
him?
I'm one good boy now. And like you there stress me out. Him look like him not give she no stress. That's why she say yes.
I mean, you couldn't get no sense, you know. Every relationship have stress. You ever tell a girl?
Not for them one because they married.
You want him back? One day, one day, call him, no?
We don't have a number.
Bumbo blood. No, sir. Jesus Christ. Yeah, you said about it. I mean, you want to talk about the person. And the man talk about 5-6 years now.
It doesn't matter.
And you want to talk about the person.
See somebody married him there, that means him change him dirty ways.
So now you want him back.
Yes, because all of that stress me out. So if the girl say yes, that means him change and him a treat her good.
I mean, that makes no sense, you know. You know, make no sense, you know, that I tell you, you know. You want to commit suicide, that you want to do. I thought me say a woman sit down and look on a long time petition and want to look on her next a long time and the woman we're married. And the person left a long time, I didn't do that. A psycho baby that, you tell you? Like you get mad in the head. Force me to see this to us. They look on picture. And they say they are in picture and even in woman picture they look on, you know. That's a fuck up thing about it.
That's why it should have been me and not she.
You stop that phone. Share it with girl. What you want? You're married to you now? You're married to you now?
No, because all I do is stress me out. So I'm not going to
So
say
you think
yes.
that she not stressed out him?
She not, no.
I not stressed out
She would have said yes. Excuse.
Everybody have their own stress. You want to tell you? I can't say it. Let me tell you.
She would have said yes if she didn't get stressed out.
I'm sorry, guys. Give me a second. Come for the picture, you know? I can't say so.
Excuse.
Stop being like an idiot. You want to tell you? I'm not stressed out. Maybe my stress out looking but so what?
I don't
So
have
what?
time for it. I'm too old for this. I'm 23.
So you want to know? You get married now.
Why a man up?
Everybody have a man up, but still have issues in a relationship. Man not perfect. That don't
What's
mean
a man up in
you know say man are go through them. Me even want to talk about that neither. Come back life man talk, you show me man picture of my friend. What the fuck you do? You know that too. Can't do it. How are you don't move on it? You don't move on it?
But they move on until they start stress me out.
And you move on?
No.
I don't move on. That I don't move
I
on.
woke up on that picture there. I mean, I said, a girl like, I have to say, him have must have treated her right then, because back then a
My
dirty
friend,
boy.
it don't make no sense, my friend. You can't move on and still have to think on it. But you move on and but you stay upon a different couple like somebody else. I'm gonna say like somebody else. You can't drop back somebody else used to do it and left them a long time. And I move on. That's a drop back here, you lapse my girl. I lapse back in a relationship.
People can talk
Can't
and then
believe
get back
it,
together.
Baba.
People can left and get back together.
So me just not know all that then. Me not important then. Me not important then.
We don't know. Because when I look at the picture, I'm missing more.
Jesus.
And I should have she this, and she all look like she's pregnant.
Abbi, stop. Abbi, just stop on this now. Stop, don't stop, don't stop. Just stop now. Come here.
Excuse.
Just easy now, man.
Excuse.
Stop it like I that.
Excuse. Excuse.
Yes, you say sick. Just relax, yeah? Come here, man.
Leave me alone, Gabby.
Yeah, I'm gonna treat you nice.
You should have been trimmed.
I'm gonna treat you nice.
You should.
Fix up, lift up, no?
You can't even lift me up. Him could have lift me up.
What do you make you lift you? All this. Lift up yourself. That you want? You never look that good neither. Freaking hell for the ugly boy first. Okay, I'm freaking sense. I'm laugh a bit, I'll stop you cooking.
I know what you're saying. Hey, Charlotte.
You think it's funny?
I'm a prank.
Fuck you, I do.
That's not what you're saying. Hey, Charlotte, the lamp. I'm going to let it go back. I'm going to put it. I'm going to put it again. Hello? Kepa ako. We chat all in the love, we chat all in the love. Good girl could all in the love the war. Spam up the comment section with team. Abbi, what's up, dirty boy when they careful. People may chat all in the love. I never want it done so fast. And some sister, we better just come back. Guys. Kepa out of here. Look how Kepa done people there. Talk to God, I might have to God up above and sit up on them throats, love. No, sir. What you saying now? What you saying now?
Yo, Abbi. You think me have to style people do that again?
What you saying? Your phone.
You have to style people on camera.
Team. Abbi. I'm dirty boy when I'm careful. Come here, no, the people, I'm not well enough until I say that.
You can't believe it's there. Yo, my girl, don't think that you can't even think they can't. If you yo, you can't there look at your ex-man picture, my friend. With your future woman, or future, I'm wife already.
I don't know.
You know.
Yeah,
If
you're
you
married.
look
I've
at
seen
the
them.
picture,
A Crystal sent me the picture.
so I feel like you really like the boy same way, you know.
I don't like him. Not that hurt him, hurt me.
You still like him.
Yeah, but I don't like
Tell him
him.
about you want to go back with dead man.
No, so the man happily married with him. Maybe baby mother can belly look big.
Alright, I'm not talking about nobody.
I want some dirty boy when him care about. The boy get pranked and still have to give him food. I want some nasty boy when him care about. So if you enjoy this video, share spam the comment section with Team Abbi. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Follow my Instagram down below. Go subscribe to Abbi's Madness. And go subscribe to our comedy channel, Abbi and Kepa Comedy TV. Guys, I'm going to have food. So your girl Abbi is out. Bye.